Hi, I'm Stephen Jones, Marketing Director for Lightbox Homes, a residential design build firm based here in Tucker, Georgia. And our company is here to help you build your reputation and polish your brand with your current and former clients. As many of you know, due to rising interest rates, the people you sold a home to years ago are probably going to be staying in that home longer, and the pool of new qualified buyers is shrinking every day. In this more competitive environment, you want to work to stay at the top of your former clients and current leads list of real estate agents to call whenever they have any kind of question about real estate, including who can they turn to for home renovation services. You need to stay in front of your clients and position yourself as the go-to guy or gal for anything real estate. And that means cultivating a list of high-quality home service providers you can trust to deliver outstanding results for your clients. That's where Lightbox Homes can help. With our 5-star Google reviews and our years of experience renovating homes, Lightbox is the right provider to turn to when your clients need home renovation services. Lightbox Homes offers comprehensive home renovation services, from full home renovations and additions to finishing basements, kitchens, baths, and of course exterior spaces like decks and screen porches. Lightbox Homes is a perfect fit for your clients who have, say, bought a fixer-upper or want to maximize the space in their existing home. So in addition to helping build your reputation with your clients, whenever they get ready to list that home with you, it's fully renovated, which means a higher sales price and a higher commission for you. But better yet, we will pay you a cash reward equal to 1% of the initial renovation budget when your clients choose Lightbox for their home renovation. We want you to succeed with your clients. So as a special service to agents, we are always on hand to discuss your clients' renovation dreams with you, whether that's a fixer-upper property or a property you already sold to them, so that you can help guide them when it comes to their home renovation. Just fill out the form on this website, tell us a little bit about your client's project, and we'll get in contact with you to learn more and help guide your client. We invite you to find and follow us on social media, as well as read our Google reviews, or view our quality craftsmanship in the tour videos on this website. Please feel free to reach out to us whenever you or a client has a question about a home renovation. They say your network is your net worth, so you only want to connect your network to the highest quality home service providers, such as Lightbox Homes. Call us today and we'll get your client's home renovation done right.